Your paint sucks. Paint is probably the most vulnerable part of your entire car because it's exposed to all the elements. We're talking sun fade, bird crap, bugs, dirt, mud. And if you're a psychopath, you also probably take it through one of those nasty automatic car washes too.
Leave me out of this.
But look, I'm not judging you. Life is messy. What are you gonna do, pathetically shelter your car in the garage all year?
Let's be real, you bought the car to drive it. Just use a little protection, okay?
Introducing Armor Shield 9 by AvalonKing. This is the DIY ceramic coating solution for enthusiasts like you and me that rival those ceramic coating jobs that cost thousands of dollars anywhere else. Ceramic coating is your first line of defense. It fills in all the pores and imperfections in your paint, creating a deep gloss shield that can protect it from everyday use for years to come. And while you're at it, use it on your wheels to quickly wash away brake dust. Nicolas Cage is gonna be jealous because it's gonna be gone in 60 seconds, baby. Then use it on your trim and headlights to protect against yellowing and fading. Application is quick and easy. If you can wax, you can ceramic coat. Simply wrap the supplied cloth around the applicator kit, add some drops from the bottle, just work in small sections to apply it, let it dry for a minute, wipe it away, and you're done. Don't take it from some ding dong on the internet. AvalonKing has over 3,000 5-star reviews from customers just like me and you. We believe simple problems should have simple solutions. Head over to AvalonKing.com right now to see just how easy it is. See you in there.